In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of Wix website 2025, step by step. First, head over to wix.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one you want to transfer. The dashboard is where you'll find all the controls for settings, billing, domains, and permissions, so it's the right place to start. From the dashboard, open Settings. Scroll down until you see Site Management. Here you'll find the option called Transfer Site. Selecting this takes you to the Ownership Transfer area, where you'll hand over primary control of the site to someone else. This is different from simply inviting a collaborator. A transfer changes who owns the site and who has the final say on billing and major decisions. Now, enter the new owner's email address. It's important that this email is tied to a Wix account. If it isn't, they'll be prompted to create one before they can accept. Double check the spelling so the invite goes to the right person. When you're ready, click Send Transfer Invite. Wix will email the recipient with a secure link to accept the transfer. On the recipient's side, they'll open the transfer email, click Accept Transfer, and log into Wix. If they don't see the message, have them check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, ownership moves to their account. Depending on your site setup, Wix may display prompts about connected domains or premium plans. Review any notices carefully so you both understand how billing and subscriptions are handled after the transfer. After the transfer is complete, the new user becomes the site owner. As the previous owner, you may remain as a collaborator if you choose, which is useful if you'll still help with edits or maintenance. You or the new owner can adjust permissions and roles later in the site settings, granting only the access that each person needs. This helps protect sensitive areas like billing and domain management. A few final tips as you wrap up. Let the new owner know about any custom apps, automations, or integrations on the site so they can manage them smoothly. Avoid sharing logins. The transfer process is designed to keep accounts secure. And if you plan to step away entirely, confirm you're no longer listed as a collaborator once everything looks good. That's it. Your Wix site has been successfully transferred.